Hey guys, welcome to this video. In this video we want to find the value of this expression 12 divided by 1 over 3 then times 4. First we do this multiplication. 1 over 2 times 4. 2 divided by 2 gives us 1 and the 4 divided by 2 gives us 2. So here we have just 2. And the 12 divided by 2 equals 6. But this answer is not correct because according to the order of operations, multiplication and division have equal priority and we have to work from left to right. So here first we have to do this division, then this multiplication. If we do this multiplication before this division, it is wrong. So first we have to do this division. 12 divided by 1 over 2. According to the KCF rule, K stands for keep, C stands for change, and F stands for flip. We can write keep the first fraction, change division to multiplication, and flip the second fraction. So 12 times 4. And here we have here we have 12 times 2. And here we have times 4. Okay, 12 times 2 gives us 24. So 24 times 4. Okay, 4 times 4 gives us 96. So we write, 4 times 4 equals 16. So we write 6 here and carry 1 here. 4 times 2 gives us 8. And 8 plus 1 equals 9. So we have 96. And this is our final answer to this problem. The correct answer is 96.